Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that might arise when dealing with functions in C++. The problem at hand is storing a function inside a std function without worrying about the return value. This might seem like a simple task, but the question is there any undefined behavior when the stored function gets called? Let's take a closer look at this scenario with an example involving a lambda function returning an int. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. Ignoring the return result is explicitly allowed in C++. By using the appropriate overload of the operator equals function, we ensure that the function assigned to the std function is callable for the specified argument types and return type. The key point here is that the invoke operation explicitly discards the result by casting it to void, thus preventing any undefined behavior when the function is called. In summary, we've explored a problem involving storing functions in std function without considering the return value. By understanding the intricacies of function assignment and invocation in C++, we ensure that our code runs smoothly without any undefined behavior. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Happy coding!